In this video, I'm going to show you how to label photos in Adobe Bridge. Now first, you want to select the photo you want to label, then you want to right click it and you want to go down here to where it says label and you want to hover over it. Here you can do no label, you have the select one, second, approved, review, or to do. So you can just click on any of these and of course you can go and add labels to your images just like that. Now of course you can select multiple as well, right click, label, and label all of them with a specific color just like this. Okay, of course you could also use buttons, so you could go to your keyboard and you can basically click on any amount of images, like one or more of them, and if you hold down your control key on your keyboard, you'll be able to press either control 6 to get red color, control 7 to get yellow, control 8 to get green, or control 9 to get blue. Okay, now that's essentially how to label photos. Those are the two ways you can use. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.